This lesson is on reading measurements. And when you're reading an instrument, you're going to read the measurement to the nearest place that is labeled and then estimate that last digit. So if you have a balance labeled to the ones place, then there's also going to be tenths marks on there, which means you can estimate to the hundredths place. For triple versus 4-beam balance, both balances, the unit's going to be in grams. For triple beam, you're going to have the tens place in the back, the hundreds place in the middle, and then the ones place up front. And each one of these tick marks is going to be a tenth, so you would estimate to the hundredth. For a 4-beam, you're going to have the hundreds place in the back. Next is the tens, then the ones. These are tenths, so each one of these tick marks is a hundredth, which means you would estimate to the thousandths place for a 4-beam balance. So a 4-beam is going to be more accurate for measuring than a triple beam. When you're reading volume from a graduated cylinder, make sure you're at eye level. You're going to read at the bottom of the meniscus here. The unit's usually going to be in milliliters. So for this, if this is the 50 and this is the 60, then each one of these tick marks is a 1. Let's find a better color here. Each one of these is a 1. So here's our meniscus. So we're at 51, 2, but we're not quite to 53. So 52 point. We're really close to the 53, so we can say 52.8, 52.7. Remember that last digit is estimated, but we know that we're definitely past the 52 and we're a little bit closer to 53. For thermometers, if it's a mercury thermometer, you would read from the top of the meniscus. Mercury thermometers, mercury doesn't have hydrogen bonding, so your meniscus is going to be shaped like this, so you would read from the top. Alcohol thermometer, you're going to read from the bottom. Alcohol has hydrogens in it, so there is hydrogen bonding, so there's going to be adhesion to the glassware, causing your meniscus to go down like this, so you're going to read from the bottom. And with thermometer, the unit's going to be in degrees Celsius.